Welcome back my YouTube channel. It's Karate Mask. In this video, I'll talk about the patterns that beginners often make mistakes in kata. This practice method will help you to understand what is the most important point in performing kata and what is the most important point that will prevent you from being reduced in points in competitions. In conclusion, in the famous word of the martial arts, Ichigan Nisok Santan Shuki, I lack courage, power, and this is the important elements in the performance of kata. And I'll also give you some important notice on how to do this exercise. So watch until the end. This channel will support karate beginners who want to start karate or who want to get black belt in karate. And I pull out video to show karate tips and training methods for beginners. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has the advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. Then let's get it started. Number 1. The upper body comes first. Beginners tend to be conscious of arm strength, which causes the upper body to move ahead of the lower body. As I mentioned earlier, there is a martial arts phrase, Ichigan Nisok Santan Shuki. To sum up simply, the ability to observe your opponents, the ability to move one's feet, stroke split, and determination unfazed by anything, the physical ability to execute techniques. This is what it means. When you change the direction of movements, keep in mind the line of sight, the position of the feet, and the technique at the ends of the movements. Start slowly and gradually increase the speed. Many beginners are often seen to bend backward or forward too much in their posture, during the movements of their techniques. Correcting posture not only improves the appearance of kata, but also enables ring punching and body roll, using hip strength without too much tension in the shoulders. In addition to martial arts, people who dance or play other sports also have good posture. The reason for this is that it's important to be aware of one's posture for excellent body manipulation. It's hard to describe. The tip is to lower the shoulder blades or retract your shoulder blades. Be careful not to bend backward. If you exert yourself too much, use a rubber tube to control the use of your back muscle first. Be aware of this in your daily life. At first, the abdominal and back muscle tend to get tired trying to get the posture right. But once you get used to it, you can work with a beautiful posture. As studies have shown, good posture contributes greatly, not only to your appearance but also to your mental health. So I recommend it. Number 3. Their line of sight is at the lower position, while they're performing basic movement and kata. Their line of sight tends to go down to check the position of their feet. Certainly, it's understandable that they want to check the position of their feet, because they're not used to this footwork. However, as I mentioned earlier, if their eyes are looking down, their posture will deteriorate. It's good to lower your eyes to check forward during practice, but let's keep our eyes straight as we assume the enemy is our normal practice, so that we don't get into that habit in the performance. The tip is to pull your chin back a little to stabilize your cervical spine and stabilize your eyesight and posture. Recently, many people complain of straight neck symptom due to heavy smartphone use, but you can improve your posture and improve your hunchback and distorted body. However, martial arts movements are not only used in battle, but also in everyday life. For example, as I explained earlier, the way you walk or when you transfer patient from a wheelchair to a bed in the field of nursing care, controlling your own body and the other person's body is exactly connected to the movement of martial arts. Besides, being aware of your own body is an important factor in knowing your usual physical condition. Please put into practice. It's natural that everyone cannot do it at first. The key is the ability to continue. If you can do this, you will quickly approach the level of black belt. If you think this video is good, please leave a like and comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.